Hey, how's it going? I'm D Murph. Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna make a perfect homemade mocha. So here are all the ingredients you'll need to make a mocha. So you'll need something to measure with, a frothing pitcher, spoon, temperature taker. I'm going to use some Swiss Miss milk chocolate hot cocoa mix, so any kind of chocolate powder will work. If you use milk chocolate, it'll be a little bit sweeter and lighter. Dark chocolate's going to be a little more robust. Some Hershey syrup to top with, whipped cream, milk, 2%, and some Starbucks espresso roast. And what I'm using to brew the espresso is a Mr. Coffee ECMP 50 espresso machine. And the reason why I recommend getting some kind of espresso machine is it has a 15-bar pump system. You get a really nice consistent pull, and it's very efficient. It's easy to clean and easy to use, and you have that consistent shot every time. This one was about 75 bucks from Walmart. It's on the what we would call affordable side of things. You know, there's definitely nicer machines out there, but this one gets the job done. So let's get into making this mocha. So the first thing I like to do is prepare my shot. I'll just set that out there. Use a double shot. That's what I prefer. And then you just get 1 level scoop of really fine coffee, ground for espresso, and just put that in there. Then tamp it. There we go. And this is ready to go on the machine. Next, we prep the machine for steaming. And this is the frothing pitcher that I use. It's really for a single cup. It goes up to 11 ounces. I normally go with 6 ounces of milk because I like a 2 ounce to 6 ounce ratio on my lattes, mochas, and all those tasty beverages. So the machine's ready. So you just want to put in your thermometer so you know what temperature it's going to be at. Pull this out. And I removed the rubber covering. It's not hot when you first start, but after you put steam through there, you definitely don't want to touch that. So here we go. So we're going to go for 160 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a nice temperature. Your drink will be toasty. It gives it a little bit of time to, you know, if it cools down, it won't really affect the drink too much. All right, 160 degrees, so we're going to turn off the machine. I like to give this a quick wipe with a wet paper towel because that helps out a ton with cleaning. Otherwise, that milk will get really hard, and you'll have a fun time scrubbing all that off later. Okay, so our next step is to put the cocoa powder in there and pour a 2 ounce shot. So the Swiss Miss, it has quite a bit of cocoa powder in it, so I use about half a packet. If you like really sweet drinks, you can go all the way. And I've seen people use bits of chocolate, dark chocolate again if you want a more robust, less sweet mocha. There we go. It's about half the packet. Then we prep this for shots, and it's ready. So we'll drop 2 ounces of espresso, and this machine vibrates a little bit, so I hold the shot glass while it's dropping the espresso. All right, that's 2 ounces. We'll pour this in there very quickly. And then next is our steamed milk. And you use a spoon to hold back the foam, because if you're using whipped cream, you don't really want any foam on top. But of course, if you don't want whipped cream, you can just let that foam go. Kind of like a mocha latte. There we go. And give it a stir. Sure everything mixes really nicely. Mixing it good. And if you quickly use that shot and get it in there, put some milk on, start mixing it up, the shot won't turn. And what that means is if the espresso turns completely black and there's not much cream on top, that means your shot is turned and it like tastes very bitter. You want to avoid that. So that portion is done. Ooh, this looks delicious. And we finish it off with a little bit of whipped cream. There we are. And of course you need a little bit of a hot chocolate drizzle. There we go. Voila! There you have it. This is a mocha just as good as a cafe's. Really nice, really sweet. It's a great drink. Alright, let's give it a taste. Oh, that's nice, yeah. Definitely recommend going with half that pack of hot cocoa mix. This tastes just like a mocha right here. If you put too much in, it'll taste a little more like a hot cocoa. So it just depends what you're going for. I hope this video really helped you out with your mocha adventures. Subscribe to this channel for more coffee videos with Espresso, and hit that bell to get notifications. If you have any questions over the recipe or you'd like to ask me something, comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing day.